How to send a location on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store on your Android. After this, when you have installed the app, just open it in your Android. Now you are able to see the desktop of the Facebook Messenger, like chat box, calls, people, and the stories will appear here. Now I am going to share a location of my to any of my friend, to any of the person which I want to share my location. I just open the chat of the person, and you can see different options at the bottom. There is a microphone, your gallery here, your camera here, and you can see different options. Just you have to click on this plus mark before sharing location. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Just you have to click on the location here. When you have to click on the start sharing live location, you have to turn on the location of your phone, and you can see this location is being start sharing live location for 60 minutes. Now we are moving to the messenger, and I can see here your location will be sent to that person. When you have to click on this blue mark, you can see live location, and that person can easily view your live location. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.